Once, a curious dog wandered into a carnival. He trotted happily until he stumbled into the mirror maze. At first, he wagged his tail, amused to see so many dogs around him. Friends, he barked joyfully. But when he moved closer, every dog moved closer too. He barked, wanting to play. Dozens of dogs barked back, their voices echoing. The dog grew confused. Were they mocking him? Threatening him? At once, the mirrored dogs bared their teeth. He lunged forward, and all the others lunged too. The dog growled and barked until he grew tired. Finally, exhausted, he sat down, his ears drooping. The dogs in the mirrors sat down too, quiet at last. For the first time, he noticed they weren't enemies. They were only reflections. If he smiled, they smiled back. If he calmed down, so did they. The dog wagged his tail again. The mirrors wagged with him, dozens of joyful dogs shining all around. The world reflects back what we show. Anger brings anger, calm brings calm, kindness brings kindness.